Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be showing you how we made these hexagonal shelves behind me. So let's jump right in. So we've sketched out the shelf sort of layout and we're going to make each of the hexagons individually and then join them all together. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hexagons and each of the sides will be 20 centimeters long, which means we need 30 pieces. So for this project we are using 18 by 94 mil plain softwood, and we've bought a pack of 4 planks, but I think we're probably going to need 2.5, 3 planks, so we might have a bit spare. So to start off with, we're just cutting it down the middle because, as you can see, it's a little bit too long for our space in the shed. And then we're going to measure out our pieces. So each piece of wood needs a 60-degree angle at each end. So we've invested in one of these little level boxes which magnetizes to the table saw blade, and then that gives you the exact angle. So we've just set that at 60 degrees and we're ready to start cutting our angles. Okay, so we've cut all the angles on one side and now we're going to set the saw up and do all of the other sides at the same time just to make sure they're all exactly the same length. So as you can see, we're now just adding the angle side to the sled and then cutting the plain side. Okay, so we've now got all of our pieces cut, all 30 of them. We've actually got a few spare just in case there's any rough ones. And now I've got to make the hexagon shape. So to do that, we're going to lay out a strip of masking tape the full length of our dining table. We're back indoors now. And then we're going to stick the pieces on top like this. Then we'll add the glue in the gap and then roll it all up. And then hopefully that should hold it quite nicely. So all the pieces are now laid out. We're just putting glue into the gap, spreading it around a little bit with our finger, and then rolling it up. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later now, and we're just going to take the masking tape off. I want to take it off sooner rather than later, just to make sure it doesn't leave any sticky residue. Just giving a quick light sand around the edges of each of the hexagons, and we've decided to paint the external edges and this top edge in blue to match the wall, and then we're going to give the inside a light oak stain. Then all that's left to do is to stick them to the wall. So because they're quite light and we're not putting anything really heavy on them, we're just going to use this extra strong double-sided sticky tape to stick them up, and we're going to apply that on 3 sides of the hexagon and then just push it onto the wall. So we're using a spirit level to get the level for the first shelf, and then we've made 2 little wooden spacers just to help us space each shelf apart. Now all that's left to do is to style them. I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, we're really happy with the shelves and they blend in really nicely and make a feature on this wall in our dining room. If you want to see more DIY videos, remember to subscribe and check out the rest of the videos on our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye!